Hello everybody, I'd like to welcome you to session number 13. The only thing this week that I want you to focus on, there's no readings, no other assignments, but is to finish your community analysis and presentation. Just a reminder as I go through this, part 1 is done collaboratively with you and a group member. You should have all the components done by your analysis of the Van Dyke Public School System, the My School Data website. In addition, each component of the community tour should be completed. 1 or 2 words is probably not enough. You should have a minimum of maybe like 2 to 3 sentences, images, some sort of artifacts in there to demonstrate that you know what's going on in this community. For part 2, each group member needs to do their own write-up. Each group member is responsible for their own component. Where you're going to look at part 2. In addition, part 3 is also to be done individually, so each person needs part 3. For part 3, you are answering each of the 5 questions and probably a few paragraphs for each, but you should include artifacts. Artifacts means research based on your website analysis of the Van Dyke Public School System and the My School Data. Looking at your community tour, your service learning experience, your service learning reflective logs, the Summons research database that we did last week, all of those should find a way to be incorporated in that. A good assignment will do this. Again, this is kind of like a research paper, a final project for this course. It's kind of a capstone, a culminating project. This helps to do that. In addition to the written part, you will also be doing a haiku deck presentation next week in class. Some of you let me know you're going to be doing it collaboratively. Some of you are going to do it individually. Whatever you do, it's up to you. It does not matter. In your presentation, you will answer these 3 questions. You will use information from your community observations, all of this information in order to make your presentation. For your presentation, 7 to 12 slides. Presentation should be somewhere between 5 to 7 minutes long. Have a note card or 2 if you need it. Look at, and engage your audience during the presentation. I can't stress that enough. Please down here include a link to your haiku deck. This should go directly to it. Make sure the link works. You shouldn't have to sign into haiku deck. You shouldn't have to sign into anything. That link should take me right there so that I can view that. If you have any questions between now and then, please do not hesitate to reach out to either Robbie or myself. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on Monday.